Hi all you awesome people. Today we're just gonna do a casual day in the life stay-at-home mom vlog style kind of. I just received the last Lovevery play kit for the 22, 23, 24 months, and then if I want to continue the subscription I can. We've been using this since T was about 3 months old, and we do enjoy the toys that come with it. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you her playroom today, clean it up, do a lot of chores, and then I'll give you a playroom tour on how we do Montessori at home and encourage independent play. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anissa, and I summarize chapters from various parenting books into short videos posted every Friday. I also create content regarding our parenting style, motherhood stuff. I do natural birth, we do early potty training, and some Montessori philosophy as well. If that's what you're interested in, come and join us. Let's open this box. If you're not familiar with Lovevery, it is a subscription that comes depending on the age. It's every 2 months or every 3 months, and the total cost per year is $480. You can pay on a monthly basis, or you can pay upfront the total amount and you get a little bit of a discount. That's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and change the camera and just focus it on the box so you can kind of see it a lot better than this right now. For every box, it shows a picture of exactly what's in here, and this is a box of. The reason that we use Lovevery is because all their toys are thought with Montessori independent play in design. That it's really high quality wood and some plastic materials that's used. All their toys are really high quality that we've noticed. So it looks like for this one, there's a slot for the bigger ones and a slot for the smaller ones. So I would put this all out in a basket and then let her figure out which ones go to which one. So that's pretty nice. And then with every Lovevery package, you do get a booklet explaining exactly what it is that you are receiving and how to present the play. So this is just a materials and care sheet. So everything's there. This video is not sponsored by Lovevery. It's just a company that I have been using since T was about 3 months old, and we've enjoyed all their products that we've been receiving. So here is a booklet, and it kind of explains what the stage is that your child is in, the different things that you could do around the house as a parent. Gives great information. And then each toy and how to present the toy to the child, along with some ideas as well as what you can do at home with simple items that you already have. We have a bag here, it looks like. What's this one? A drawstring bag. Something's in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, these are the pictures. These are the pictures. Here, I'll show you. So the bag kind of shows what should go in there. And then here are the pictures of the animals. This is for a matching, 3D to 2D matching. T actually does a really good job with these already, so she'll like this. Oh, and here are the little animals. Since she's turning 2 years old soon, there's a book on it. This book. The book is a board book, really, really vibrant, colorful pictures. And all of their books have been her favorite. So I'm sure she'll like this one as well. So we have the transfer tweezer, felt star, and felt basket. So here's the tweezers. And then just allow the child to transfer. Looks like this is just a simple puzzle that you can do. The buckle barrel. Oh my gosh. If you do not have a child that's around 18 months and older, kids just love this. I already have 2 items that have similar things just because of how much she likes doing things like this. So For this toy, I think a backing, since it doesn't have a backing, it kind of flops, like actually another cover right here would make it a little bit more protective, but then you wouldn't be able to take out the pages. So I see why they designed it this way, but I don't think I like it as much. This one, you're supposed to match the buttons. With T, she's not quite understanding colors, and I'm still working on it with her. So this will be a good exercise. There's a simpler pattern in the back. I'll probably start with a simpler pattern. All right, that's everything that's in the box. Let's see how she gets to some of these toys. So T is having her breakfast right now. Then I'll show you her playroom and show her some of these toys and see how she does. You like this stuff? You got it? Oh, you got it. Okay, keep going. Sweetie, Mommy's gonna clean up the playroom. If you can play with these puzzles while I do that, that'd be cool. Okay, bye. So this is her playroom as a disaster. All right. I'll just show you like where her books are going. That's her kitchen area, fridge, just a quick overview. Yeah, some laundry, I know, laundry, ignore that. And that's for baby number 2. Now we're gonna do the toy rotation and secret stash of books. So, there you go. This is our library collection that we have here. I have one here, and then I have some books in her room that I keep. And then I'm just gonna rotate out. So per Montessori philosophy is to provide only a few books, about 5 to 6 books. Some say 2 to 3 books. I do about 6 roughly. Okay, and then this is just from IKEA. A simple book stand. I know there's like a bunch of those really fancy Montessori bookshelves, but this is cheap. This is from IKEA. And then you just display some of the books here. It's not the best way to display all the books, but she gets the idea. So this is how I clean the playroom, and you can see I utilize a basket. So I just gonna go around and pick up everything that's loose and put them in the basket, then kind of go through the basket. So there are a few items that I'm going to put away, and then some I'm gonna keep out. So the ones I'm gonna put away is the tube slide there, and then the Lovevery race car I'm gonna keep out because she really enjoys that. And that's been really recent. There they are. She has successfully emptied the box, and she's doing whatever. Alright. Sweetie, do you need to go potty? Sweetie, do you need to go potty? Never mind. And now let's go through the toy rotation. So per Montessori philosophy is you only leave out a certain amount of toys, you clear up everything, and this actually facilitates a lot of independent play. This seems a little crooked. What the heck? Guys, this is reality. If you're one of those super professional people that have all these cool boxes, good for you. I don't. I use just like random stuff to store more random things. So that's how I do it. I'm being real. I don't have a fancy organizing system. And then once she is not interested in a toy, like it's really, she's really beyond it, something simple like this one, I'll probably end up putting away along with the peekaboo, like Dropbox. things that definitely she's not gonna do anymore. So anyway, I see another buckle one. Ah! Oh my goodness. And we are all done. So that is actually a working fridge. This was used for extra milk. And then we are just having it be in her play area. And I do hope to put actual real food in here so she can actually utilize it. And then we have a table. So for this area, it's only a little bit of water. So for this, I like to keep a shelf now with snacks so she can access her own. And these are just little pop-up containers that I got. The new toy that we got today. And then this one, the new other puzzle that we got today. This is, I was trying to teach her colors, so everything in here is yellow. This one is from the last week's box, or last 3 months ago, this box, and she's still learning this concept, and then she's still having a bit of a hard time with this one, so I'm gonna leave this one out. So that's it for there. Nice little lounging chair, her tent. Right now it's more Duke's little hiding spot while we're gone, because he's sad we're gone. And then her racing cars. Let's put that in the middle of the room. The 2 cars. And there you go. And on this side of the room, it's become more of like a storage corner, I guess. This is the changing table for the new baby that's coming up. And then I like this set. This is, I forgot what it's called. Anyway, it's like a little miniature cleaning set, broom and everything, and a little tiny Swiffer that I give her. So when I'm brooming or sweeping the floor, I encourage her to use her own, and then her stuffed animals. Oh, this is a potty box. This is a potty fort that I used. Look at that. So I've been doing iced coffee since it's really warm here and we don't have AC. So I just have like iced coffee cubes made, and then I just pour over milk, and then as it melts, this thing just becomes a nice milky coffee latte thing. And then to do cold brew, I have it set up here. So this is gonna go for about 12 hours. And then I'll press it and then I'll put it inside the ice trays for later. She is just on her playroom. I don't know how long it's been now. She's just been playing all day today. Whatever. By herself in her own world. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and make some lunch. We'll have lunch, and then shortly after lunch she's gonna take a nap, and I'll probably do some filming, editing. I don't know, maybe I'll nap myself. If you haven't, you can watch my video, Parent-Child Play is Not Necessary, and this will give you some background history about play without parents. Now the recommendation from Child Expert is to encourage independent play and imaginative play, and doing that by creating an environment that encourages it without the use of electronics, TV, or even toys that have a bunch of buttons and electronics with it. We do let T watch some TV, usually after dinner, and then sometimes when we're desperate. Usually she plays by herself, or she's listening to music. She loves listening to music. We have the Sonos speakers around the house that she can turn on, or we'll give her our phone and she can just go and scroll through and pick music that she wants. Sweetie, do you need to go potty? You want Mama to read you this book? Oh, you want Mama's special drink. No, this is Mommy's drink. Where's your drink? Where's your coffee drink? I mean, hot, cold chocolate milk. Where's your chocolate? Oh, here you go, my love. All right, close the fridge. Thank you. Okay, here you go. All right, 2 hands and take it to your table. A lot of how we set up our environment here is to encourage independent play, and that's play without us being around or even entertaining her for the most part. Comment below if you enjoyed this video and you want me to do more videos on her playroom, Montessori, or independent play. As always, stay awesome, and with love from the Kachang family to yours. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye! You gonna say bye-bye?